Hey, get away. We just finished our hike, which you can see in one of the previous videos right here in Barra da Lagoa. Right now we're gonna check out another beautiful place. By the name of this video, you already know what I'm talking about. Here you go. Oh, look, doggo passing by. You should follow as well.
I stay in Barra da Lagoa, Florianopolis for almost 2 weeks, and together with my friends from the hostel we were usually eating out. So you're gonna see here some cafes, restaurants, some street food and more. If that's your thing, let's go without any further ado into this episode.
Yeah, we're back to the Barra da Lagoa. I'm just gonna be shooting on the go without no specific plan or scenario. So if you're up to this, let's go.
So as you understand, the video is for foodies.
Nice footage. There's some restaurant. I think they have a nice view there.
So I'm just gonna be walking around with my friends or on my own, searching for food.
So here you can rent out some apartments as well. This is the bridge over this canal. Yeah, in the other videos you can see me streaming from there, shooting from there. Now we're on the other side. Look how many birds are here. People are here. And we're gonna go to the bridge as well. So we walk across the bridge after the hike. Let's go, we're gonna eat something. So I'll show you what we see on the way here in Barra da Lagoa. Like, this is very sweet stuff. You see this one? This is super sweet. Este es del coco, ¿no?
De coco.
Perfecto. ¿Cuánto?
Una 8 o 3
Tres. Y puedo diferente.
Tem diferente coco tradicional.
Ajá.
Esse é com ananás e abacaxi.
Perfeito.
Esse vai com leite condensado.
Ajá.
Esse é caramelo.
Ajá.
Esse é de maracujá.
Ok, entonces tres, ¿no? Para...
Vai escolher você com a... Mas eu também, tia. Com a fruta e maracujá.
Wow.
Fruta, maracujá e abacaxi.
Perfeitamente. Mi amigo me
Tá falando.
recorda para mí. Ok, entonces...
Hola.
¿Cuánto otra vez para tres?
20 reais.
20 reais. Ok, perfecto. 20 reais. ¿Y qué me recomiendas para el mejor?
Comer um caramelo.
Caramelo.
Como leite condensado.
Perdón.
Pode.
¿Y?
E leite condensado. E um ananá.
Ananá também? Perfeito, muito obrigado.
Obrigada a você.
Eu creio que provando este é antigo.
Esse é tradicional.
Tradicional.
Tu não conhece. Você não conhece essa?
Obrigado.
Essa tu não conhece essa?
Ok. Voy a volver si hay. Obrigado. Very local, no? All right, look here. There are some fishermen that know how to fish. Oh, wow. La lancha se llama La Risa. Valdemir La Risa. Hola, perito. Okay, descansa, no hay problema. We're gonna go this way. A lot of other stuff you can buy. That's one of the touristic streets of Barra da Lagoa. See, somebody's going from the beach because it's 12. It's the midday, so it's getting hot. And me with the friends, we're gonna go eat. And if you want to eat in Barra, there's a lot of places. Like pictures of the food. Look, they have a huge pictures of the food. Wow. Huge pictures of the food. Oh wow, what do we know about fashion in Barra da Lagoa? Look at this. What a variety of the fashion. So in this place where I decided to eat, it's just right there downstairs. They give me this. I mean, it's a key for the toilet. So funny. You call. That's the restaurants where we stay. Look at this, how they treating us here. Wow, this is mango, and this is what?
Oh, meu amor, this is morango.
Morango.
Tá
Budmo. 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 Budmo, budmo, budmo. And this is how we doing. Budmo, hey. As you see, they're treating us well here. And I'm teaching my friends how to say saúde or cheers in Ukrainian. Oh, look at this. This is mango. This is amazing. I feel like I'm in paradise. Look. Let me tell you, these Brazilians, they know how to treat their guests. Wow. Obrigado, gente. They're treating us well here, no? Bom apetite, gente, everybody. Look at this amazing comida. All right, we're leaving this place and it was nice. Kindly recommend it. How does it called? Like this. Gabriel do Mar, no? Something like that. A little bit of afternoon vibe of Barra da Lagoa. Here you go. Afternoon vibe is not the same as a morning vibe. Qué lindo. Very common to have flowers here. Nice. Afternoon vibe of Barra da Lagoa. Hello, doggo. Can we go eat here? So we arrived to this Zilico Petanga. Let's go, it's buffet. Let's explore another place where we can eat. It's a little buffet, but it has everything needed. You see? And the price is kind of fixed. Very nice. Utensils and stuff. All these with Guarana, 12 bucks. By the way, we went to buffet here. Nice buffet, my friend. Buffet is nice here. And there's many options where you can eat. Again, some supermarkets, and they have some pastries and stuff. Another favorite place of ours, it's acai. You see? So you basically choosing the one you like. Then you choose where to put it. You see, that was my choice, and then so many other choices here. And you put some additional stuff. You can put some additional stuff. And this is nice terrace here. Our favorite spot. We're gonna enjoy acai and ice cream. Wow, look at this. Look at this guy. Wow. Perfecto. Here you go. The best acai in Barra. Approved and kindly recommended.
Once we went to Lagoa Conceição and also stopped by acai place. It's a little more fancy as it's a bigger city.
I remember I eat here once. There are some vegetarian options. El Padre. It's another good place, popular place. Also, there's live music here, and it's like a buffet style, and it's very nice. I tried that. Tried it once, and it's very nice. By the way, very nice sushi buffet. We just went here. I didn't record what we eat, but it was very nice buffet, sushi buffet. Here is some options for carnivores. Here is some more options to eat. That's the place I love, like a food court. Anyway, last night we were here. It's like very nice place. There's several cafes. You can order the food in any of those and sit in any area. There's like a few different, like it's a food court. That's the coffee, that probably the only one coffee, but pretty good one as well. The menu of the art cafe where I decided to stop. Mi salsa favorita, my favorite salsa is playing here. ¡Qué locura!, ¿no? Wow!
That food court in the middle of Barra da Lagoa was probably the most fun and diversified in terms of food place to be in evening in Barra da Lagoa. That's gonna be the ending of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Check other videos from Barra da Lagoa, Florianopolis, Brazil, and Latin America. See you in the next one.